Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 277 on Windows 11. It's very easy to do, so try not to skip any steps. The first thing you want to do if you're on a network is to test your network stability. You can also go into search, type in settings, left hand side go to system. From here, go to troubleshoot, and from here go to other troubleshooters, and from here you're gonna see something called network and internet. This is troubleshooting. Click run and see if that fixes the issue. You can also try to restart the router, unplug it for 30 seconds, plug it back in to reset the connection to see if that works. After you've done that, of course, reboot your PC. Click here, reboot. After you have done that, you want to clear some Roblox log files. How do you do that? Click on search, click on run. When this little run box comes up, what you want to type is this percentage thing, local app data percentage thing backslash Roblox backslash logs, and you should see some files in here. Click on Control A and delete them, and then empty out your trash bin, or you could click on shift delete to delete them permanently to begin with. Go back to your run, type in run. From here, type in percentage thing user profile, one word, percentage thing backslash app data backslash local low backslash rbx logs. Yep. Then once you are here, you want to Control A to select everything and delete all of the files once again to see if that fixes the issue. Okay, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. How do you do that? Go to search, type in CMD, right click on this, hit run as administrator, and you want to type in the following commands one by one: ipconfig space slash flush DNS, ipconfig space slash release, and last but not least ipconfig space slash renew space netsh winsock reset. And after that is finished, restart your PC and launch Roblox once again. After you have done that and it still isn't working, you are still getting this error, you can try to go through your router and create a opening on your to unblock the port for Roblox. The protocol is UDP, port range 49152 through 65535, and your device's IP address. I'm not going to go how to do it, that's different for every router, so you need to Google that yourself. Next step is to disable VPN or ad blocker if you have them running. These tend to interfere with Roblox. Next thing is to allow Roblox through your Windows firewall. So type in Windows security. Right here, you're going to see firewall and network connection. Click on that. You're going to see public network active. Click on that. And from here, you're going to see Microsoft Defender firewall is on. Turn this off and see if that fixes the issue. And last but not least is to update your Windows 11. So go to settings, left hand side, click on Windows Update. Right now it says it's gonna say check for updates, and right now I do have updates I need to install, so it says install and restart now. So you should, like myself, install them and restart your PC. And that is it. If this helped you, leave the video a like and please subscribe. Have a nice day.